3 days ago, I bought this car, a VW EOS, off Facebook Marketplace for $2,500, which is like £1,250. I was massively surprised by it. It's very quick, 2-litre turbo engine, leather seats, automatic. It's amazing, right? The roof is stuck, the clutch is broken, and I'm now driving back to my house with it after being quoted $3,500 to fix the clutch issue, and that would still leave me with the roof issue. So here is what went down. Here's how it happened. Here's what happened after I bought the car, the registration process, and hopefully this will help anyone else looking to buy a car out in Australia, what to look for, what not to do, all of that. And also just tell the story of how I lost $5,500 in 3 days. Anyway, cue the clip. So my car's been at the garage for the last 24 hours, getting the blue slip checked, 2 new tyres on the back as well, and it's there. So now I'm ready to pick it up. It cost me $500 to get it all, and then I need to pay $1,000 for the insurance for a year and for a green slip. So, hello? Hiya. You alright?
Leo.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
George.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Get it registered, because this next stage is going to cost you a few bucks again.
Yeah,
You get a CTP, compulsory third party.
Yeah, how much is the surcharge?
1.5%. If you insert, your savings.
I'll go and get the card.
Yeah, grab the card, it's better.
So, just on the blue slip, and I was told it's going to now be like $700 for the insurance, then £500 to register it with Service New South Wales. What the fuck? The boot sleeping, I think. Hopefully that's why, because I really don't want that to be now broken. Thankfully I figured it out, and it was because in the boot there's like a cover that needs to be closed. Alright, now I'm at Service New South Wales again, hopefully for the last time, to register the car finally, and then we're done and I can finally have the car. We're going to be here for ages as well. Look at the fucking queue. Oh, Jesus. Just getting the plates and then we should be good to go, hopefully. Got the yellow ones for $57. And I'm finally done. That was another $800 to do the rego and get the plates. 850 fucking something dollars. What a joke. So now I've got the plates, and yeah, I just need to get some screws from somewhere. I don't really know where I can get them from. This is really not good news. The car just keeps shifting into neutral when I keep driving, and the check engine lights come on, and it does it like every kilometre, so I have to literally turn the car off, turn it back on again, drive, and then do it again. Oh fuck, it's just such a nightmare. I should not have got the car. Hopefully we'll fix it, hopefully it'll be a simple fix, but it's not good, and I'm fucked off because I spent so much. I'm now at a place called Super Cheap Auto to get an engine diagnostic, check engine lights on, and the gears are fucking around, so hopefully it's just like a temperature sensor or something. So hopefully it won't be here too long, but I'm hoping it'll be like a $200 fix and then easy, and not like a whole gearbox or something. I don't think it will be. And now the fucking roof is stuck half up, half down. It's raining. I've just been told it's the clutch, it needs the clutch replaced, which is going to cost $3,500. I drove it, it was fine, there's no engine light on, I'm just so fucked off. I spent $5,000 fucking registering it, buying it. So, my car is screwed. Roof is stuck half up, half down, can't move it, and it also needs a new clutch because it keeps slipping out of gear, which is going to cost me $3,500. And the car itself has cost me $5,500, so I'm pretty screwed. I was really mad for the last 45 minutes, and now I've chilled out, and now I've gone back to myself, practical thinking, what's the next best move? And the next best move is figuring out how to close it, so at least I can drive it home, and at least I can keep driving it. I just have to drive it slowly, and also the sunroof stuck, so that's done. Now I think I need that. Okay, I'm no longer pissed off, and I've gone back to being practical. I don't have any pliers or anything to unscrew the hydraulics, so I can't move the roof. It's like trying to fight against hydraulic fluid, which is just not going to work. So it needs to stay down, but the back is open, so that's going to be a lot of resistance from the air. So I'm just going to drive slowly. Thankfully it can still move because I don't have to pay to tow it. And another thankful thing is that my accommodation comes with a garage by just pure luck. So I can put the roof down at least. Sunroof is another issue, but we'll come to that later. And I can still drive the car. I just can't put it above 2,000 revs, otherwise it goes to neutral. Just to turn it off and on again, and then we're back in business. So that's the game plan. So I'm driving home, and you know what? Actually, it could be way worse. Like, obviously, it's not great having that just hanging at the back, but it drives. So you know what? It could be way worse. It could completely break down, and I'm miles away from home, nowhere to get back, nowhere to put it. I could have no garage. I could have no tools. Could have no job. There's so many other things that could have gone wrong. So you know what? Take it on the chin. Life lesson. Cool story. And we'll move on. This very annoying noise. Ding 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 ding. The roof's apparently the roof's not closed. Really?
I need to know everything. Who in the what and the where. I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me.
And it's gone to neutral again, so I pulled over. I'm very lucky because I was on the motorway. I had no choice, and it didn't happen. So off, on again. We're back in business. Keeps happening. I was playing with the gears, to be fair, so I think if I just drive under 2,000 revs, I will be fine. I'm in Australia, so that makes up for a little bit of it as well. So this is the car now. We've kind of put the roof down a little bit, but there's just gaps everywhere, and this won't shut, and the windows won't go up because the back isn't shut, so it's fucked. So I'm gonna get a tent and just wrap the tent over the top when it rains. The guy's coming to pick it up tomorrow, or today actually, in like the next hour or so, to refund me. He said he's gonna take it to the garage, fix it, and give it back to me. If not, he'll just refund me the money and a rego. But yeah, it's not good. The roof is stuck. It got stuck halfway up, and then I just had to manually put it down, but it won't click in, and the gearbox is fucked. This is the car. About an hour before the guy comes to pick it up, I drained the hydraulic fluid, like pressure, so like I pushed it to that, but it won't click in place, and I put the tent on top. It's blown off, but it's not raining at the moment, so.
How much is it for Rego?
The rego. So these people are so nice. They've come. Oh yeah, we're gonna get that. Yeah, registration paperwork. But yeah, they are so nice. And I kind of feel bad now for breaking the car, but I didn't break the car. It was sold to me like that, and he just didn't know. So I'll do what I can to sort of help pay for it as well. I'm going to give them the registration that I paid. Where's the price? That I paid $808 for. So I'm going to give it to him.